If you want to turn your image into a stunning video, this is for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to transform your still image into a breathtaking motion video, just like this one. So subscribe Zohybe AI and click on bell icon for more videos. So let's start.
Saving the future, $1 at a time. With Zohybe AI, we're gonna be just fine.
Open any browser, go on search bar and search Pixiverse AI and open this site. First of all, make an account on it or continue with your Google account. Upload your image here and then craft a powerful prompt for it. Remember, the motion depends on your prompt. If your prompt is good, the motion will be amazing. After creating your prompt, select it here and make it a stunning performance. And then click on this create button and your video will be generated after a few seconds. The video is ready. Watch the stunning quality. This tool generates high-quality videos that look incredibly real. You can download it easily by clicking on the download button. So this is the video. Hope this video will helpful for you. Subscribe Zohybe AI for more AI-related content, and soon we will upload coding and programming-related videos on this channel. Check our website link available in description.